Hey everybody, I wanted to give you just a quick video tutorial. A few teachers have asked me about how to make your own videos, and there's a free tool that you can use, and I think it'd be really powerful for you to use to have your students who look at some of these choice boards to actually see and hear your voice. Okay, so the tool that I'm talking about is called Screencastify. So if you go Screencastify. You Google that. It's the first thing that comes up, screencastify.com. And basically what it does is it records your screen and when you're doing stuff. So right here, screencasting for all. Obviously, a lot more people are using it right now. You just click this button right here to do add to Chrome. It'll bring this up. And then you want to hit add to Chrome again. And hit add extension. It might take a second to kind of log in, but you're going to see it up here. So it's going to be this little icon right here. So you can either hit Alt, Shift, and S to start a screencast, or you can just click on this icon. So that's just installing it. But now if I want to kind of take a screencast, I can click on this or hit that shortcut. All right, so the first time that you click on it, it wants you to log in, which is nice because it runs with our Google account. So I assume actually when you take a video, it's going to save it directly to your Google Drive, which is very helpful. So you want to hit sign in. And sign in with Google. So this is going to be your NMRSD account. So I'm going to click on this. Hit allow. And it's going to ask you to use your camera and microphone. You're going to say yes. So you're going to hit next. It's going to warn you, but you want to allow because you want it to be able to hear you and to see you in specific cases. So hit allow. Hit allow again. All right. So now I'm all set up. I will stop this video and then I'm going to start another video of kind of how to get started.